Chapter 4 Shadow Story Togalu. Now, we have an image here where a boy and girl is watching shadow play. The image depicts fight between Lord Ram and Ravan. Nakul and his friends saw a shadow play known as Togalu Gombayatta in a village fair. They all were fascinated to see the shadows. The boy says, "Wow, these shadows are so amazing!"
And the girl is astonished. She says, "How are these shadows forming?"
They also wanted to make shadows. So, they made different animal shadows on the wall with their fingers. You can also try to make the shadows. We can see an image where different animals have been depicted using hands and fingers. Let us do a role play by making the shadows of different animals and creating their sounds. A. Have you seen your own shadow or the shadow of a tree, a dog, a cow, or any other animal?
B. When do we see a shadow?
C. When does a shadow vanish?
Fun with shadows.
Now, we have an image here. In the image, torchlight has been used to create shadows from different objects. The different objects are cube, cone, cylinder, and a sphere.
Now put the torchlight on the objects around you and observe the shapes of their shadows.
A. Will the size of shadows change on changing the position of the torch?
B. At what time of the day is your shadow longest?
C. At what time of the day is your shadow shortest?
Let us trace.
A. Trace the shape of the objects around you. For example, eraser, leaf, matchbox, sharpener, pencil color, etc.
We have an image of a matchbox and a hand holding a pencil.
B. Draw the shapes you get after tracing. A blank space is given.
Let us think. Write the names of objects that have the same trace as
A. Bottle cap, blank, blank, blank.
B. Eraser, blank, blank, blank.
Hide and seek. Circle and rectangle are playing hide and seek. Rectangle is hiding from the circle.
Here we can see an image of a drawing room. It has various objects of different shapes in it. Circle and rectangle are playing hide and seek. Rectangle is thinking, where should I hide? Oh, shoebox.
Circle says 1, 2, 3, 10. Circle says, I am coming.
Rectangle is thinking, I look like the face of the shoebox. I will hide behind it.
Circle says again, where are you? Are you behind the photo frame? Circle says, where are you? Are you behind the TV? Circle says once again, I caught you. You are behind the shoebox.
Rectangle says, it is my turn now. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Circle says, where should I hide?
The doorbell rang. Triangle and square came and joined the game.
They all are playing together now. A. Circle can hide in the clock, ball, blank, blank.
B. Rectangle can hide in the shoebox, photo frame, blank, blank.
C. But triangle and square are confused and wonder where to hide now. Suggest them some places where they can hide.
One. Triangle can hide in blank, blank.
2. Square can hide in blank, blank.
Color the carpet. Here we have an image of a black and white carpet. It has different shapes on it. Color the triangles red.
Color the circles green.
Color the rectangles yellow.
Color the squares blue. Make your own design with different shapes and color them. Catch the corner. Naveen and his friends are playing a game. Naveen is standing facing the wall and clapping. His friends are running along the table as he claps. When he stops clapping, everybody stops. The child who is not at a corner will be out. Then the child will clap and the game will go on. Look at the picture and answer the following questions.
A. Name the children standing near the corners of the table.
B. Can you tell who will clap next?
C. Where is Wasim standing?
D. Can this game be played around a round table? Why or why not?
E. Name the objects around us that have straight edges.
F. Many objects around us have curved edges. Some are shown here. Explore and share the names of such objects that you see around. The first one is a ball, second one is an alarm clock, and the third one is a watermelon. Let us think.
A. How many corners do objects with curved edges have? Blank.
B. Name the objects that have both straight and curved edges. Blank, blank, blank.
Origami fun! We have an image here where a square paper is folded as per the instructions.
A. Take a paper and fold it to make it a square.
B. It has blank corners and blank edges.
C. Fold it in half by joining two corners as given in the picture.
D. Take the shape which you get. One, a circle. 2, a square. 3, a triangle.
E. This shape has blank corners and blank edges.
F. Fold the paper again into half to get a triangle and then unfold it.
G. Now make two triangles from two corners of the triangle.
H. How many corners are there now? Blank.
I. Fold the third corner upwards and make the nose and eyes as shown.
Your paper dog is ready.
Can you fold the square sheet in such a way so as to get a shape with four sides? How many corners does it have now? Patterns.
A. Make designs by stamping objects having different shapes like bottle caps, erasers, pencils, coins, etc.
In the space given here, we have four images. The first one is a sharpener, then a bottle cap, a pencil and a leaf. And we also have designs obtained after stamping them. Fill the rest of the space with your own design.
B. Radha is applying mehendi on her hands. You can also trace your hand to make a mehendi pattern or design.
Let us do. Nitya is playing with leaves and making patterns. We have an image in front of us which shows a pattern of leaves made by Nitya. Now you also collect some leaves and make a pattern. Paint one side of the leaf and print it on the space given here.
Project work. Make a wall hanging using cutouts of different shapes with the help of your elders to decorate your home or classroom.
Extend the following patterns. A. Here we can see an arrow pointing upwards. It is followed by an arrow pointing downwards, and the same pattern continues. B. B starts with 1 petal, and then 3 petals, and then 5 petals, that is a flower, and the pattern is repeated once again. C. We have a semicircle with a curved surface facing up. It is followed by the curved surface tilting towards right. The third image shows the curve facing downwards. It is followed by the curved surface. D. We have a square here. The square has 4 triangles. The topmost triangle is colored in blue. It is followed by 3 blank squares. Now you have to follow the pattern. E. In the first shape, at the center we have an arrow pointing upwards. In the next one, the arrow points downwards. After this, there are 6 oval shapes which are blank. Now you have to follow the pattern. H. A followed by its mirror image. B followed by its mirror image. C followed by its mirror image. D followed by its mirror image. E followed by its mirror image. I. We have a design of tiles. Please complete the pattern.
Kiku Rabbit jumps on the 4th tile. He forgot where to jump next. Help him by drawing a circle on the next tiles. 1, 4, blank.
Now, we have a related image here. Kiku the rabbit starts jumping from number 1 and lands on number 4. You have to tell us where will he land.
Kiku's mother also jumps on the 6th tile. Help her by putting a cross mark on the next tiles. 1, 6, 11, blank, 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 blank.
Let us do. Extend the following number patterns.
A. 5, 10, 15, blank, blank, blank.
B. 7, 14, 21, blank, blank, blank.
C. 1, 7, 13, blank, blank, blank. Share information about Togalu Gombeata with children, which is a puppetry art form practiced in Karnataka. The puppets are used to depict scenes from Indian epics. Let children also share their experiences of watching a puppet show. Discuss with children about their observations on their shadows at different times of the day and the reasons behind it. Ask children to explore various objects around them and ask them to find out the number of their edges, corners, and sides.